Hi everyone, this is Ben from the Analytic team. Welcome to Oracle Cloud World. Today we are going to see how to start your data, analytic, and AI journey. So first, I'm going to show you the safe harbor statement. Then we are going to see a little bit of product strategy, then a product overview. I will show you how to start your journey with Oracle Cloud and Oracle Analytic. We are going to see a description of the analytic platform. I'm going to show a little bit of data visualization. And finally, we will see the roadmap and a demo of Oracle Analytic Cloud. So my name is Benjamin Arnul for Ben. I'm Senior Director of Product Strategy for Oracle Analytic. And today I'm going to be your host to show Oracle Analytic Cloud. So you have to know that our mission is to help people see data in new ways, discover insight, and unlock endless possibilities. So as you know, we have thousands and thousands of customers across the world. Our mission is really to help you to take your data and get some insight and take some action and decision. So I'm going to start first to present you the product strategy for Oracle Analytics. You have to know that for more than 20 years now, customers have been asking Oracle to help them to analyze the world's most important data. So we did that with a lot of different things. During COVID, we helped monitoring nurse and doctor shift. We have been analyzing insurance claims after disaster. We use machine learning to help predict the sales, predict attrition. We improve churn and attrition with predictive analytics. We analyze behavior and sentiment using Oracle Analytics. So we are helping really all the different industries to use their data and make sense of it with Oracle Analytics. Here you can see that out of 400,000 customers using Oracle database, we help a lot of different customers to use their data. So here we have Western Digital, Advantage Health, Aon, Northwell Health in New York, Dropbox, Lyft, FedEx. They are all using Oracle Analytics, Oracle Analytics Cloud, or Oracle Analytics Server. Out of all these customers, we have more than 500 Oracle Analytics leaders. They are all part of the same community. They spend few hours every month with me to discuss about analytics, data, and AI, and how we can improve their experience with analytics for the next 5 or 10 years. You have people from Western Digital, Delta Airline, HSBC, Harvard, Dropbox, and more. They are all networking together to make the use of Oracle Analytics better use cases. In terms of vision, the Oracle Analytics vision is easy. You have the data. We are helping you with augmented analytics to get the best data visualizations, the best insight from your data. We provide contextual suggestions so you can take the best decision and then you can take action. A lot of time I speak with prospect or customer showing me some dashboard. When I ask them, what do you do with this specific dashboard? They tell me they don't really know, they just analyze the data. So the real thing here is to help you to use Oracle Analytics to look at your data, but not only, to take action based on your data and decision at the end of the day. In terms of strategy, we try to simplify and unify. We try to apply the Apple philosophy about simplifying our product. A lot of people are accountants, business analysts, payable analysts, receivable analysts, procurement analysts. They don't have time to learn code, SQL, Python, R. So our goal is to simplify with a low code, no code platform, allowing you to just do machine learning by drag and drop, AI by drag and drop, and data visualization by drag and drop. You don't have to spend weeks or months to learn analytics. Oracle Analytics is helping you to do that. We try also to unify the platform. As you know, Oracle Analytics is part of a huge ecosystem called Oracle Cloud. Oracle Cloud is offering AI, machine learning, data integration. I will show that later in the slide. Our goal is to integrate all these services so you can use Oracle Analytics plus AI plus machine learning, plus data integration, and so on, and make your life easier. In terms of timeline of innovation, a lot of customers tell me they are a little bit stuck in the semantic layer-based platform or stuck into visual-based exploration platform. So our goal with Oracle Analytics, it's really to help you to go directly to the augmented analytic and augmented consumer journey. Gartner helped us with this specific slide to show you that you will go from dashboard and reporting directly to natural language query, natural language generation, automated insight. You just drag and drop a data set and you get automated insight, automated data visualization. Then you will have also automated data story, suggestion for your decision, and digital assistant. So it's really the augmented consumer. So again, Oracle Analytics is helping you to jump forward and get more sense of your data. We are going to see the product overview. So we have different products with Oracle Analytics. We have Oracle Analytics Cloud, which is our flagship product. A lot of customers are using Oracle Analytics Cloud and are successful with it. We have Oracle Analytics Server, which is the same as Oracle Analytics Cloud, but on-prem. A lot of customers are also using Oracle Analytics Server, either on their server, like government agencies, or on different cloud using hybrid cloud, and it's really, really powerful. We have also Fusion Analytics Warehouse, which is a bundle of Oracle Analytics Cloud plus Autonomous Data Warehouse, plus prepackaged content, managed pipeline, manage KPI, catalog, manage dashboard for you. If you are a customer using ERP Cloud, HCM Cloud, SCM Cloud, or CX Cloud. And finally, for our NetSuite customers that are using NetSuite ERP, we have also NetSuite Analytics Warehouse, same concept. We bring the data for you, we load it into an autonomous data warehouse, and then you can use in few days automatically your data warehouse with all your KPIs to monitor your business. In terms of Oracle Analytics product, I wanted to give you a quick summary. If you are not aware, we are leader with Forrester. We are also visionary with Gartner. We are leader with IDC. We are offering an augmented analytic cloud platform. It's not just data visualization like few other tools. We are doing data visualization, data preparation, data flow, data modeling, AutoML, artificial intelligence, one click to forecast, auto insight. We do also NLQ, natural language query, NLG, natural language generation, NLP, natural language processing. We have a mobile app. And finally, you don't have to have an army of IT people. We are doing self-upgrading, self-patching, and self-securing. So Oracle is managing the instance for you. In terms of innovation, we are innovating almost every 2 months. So right now we have a new Redwood experience, which is a new UI UX. We have also delivered the in-memory data engine. We are going to deliver an AI-powered analytic assistant. We have Auto Insight, Explain also available right now. AI services analytic. You have now AI vision integrated. I will show a demo of that. We have integration with Power BI. If your users are still using Power BI, they can connect to Oracle Analytics dataset and semantic layer, which is a big news. We have a semantic modeler, best in class in the cloud, composable analytic app with Fusion Analytics, data lakehouse integration, and in the near future, data science integration. So let's jump right now on how you are going to start your journey with data, analytics, and AI. So it's really easy. First, I will ask you to go to oracle.com/cloud to see our next generation of Oracle Cloud infrastructure, and also to go to oracle.com/analytics to see all our analytic product. How you start with Oracle Analytics? So it's very easy. I put a step-by-step process so you can do that really easily. One, you will need to create an Oracle Analytics Cloud account. You will log on to your Oracle Cloud console. You will create an Oracle Analytics instance, launch Oracle Analytics, and connect to your data sources so you can start your own dashboard. So it's really easy. You can set up really Oracle Analytics in 5 minutes. You don't have to call IT for that. One, you need to sign up for an Oracle Cloud free tier. Again, it's free. We give you access to a lot of free services and also $300 for you to use in the next 30 days. You can put your name, your last name, your email. We might ask your credit card just to verify your identity and in case you want to continue in the future. Number two, log on to Oracle Cloud. Once you have access to Oracle Cloud, you have access to all services. I will just ask you to click on Analytics and AI, and finally Analytics Cloud. You can also install Fusion Analytics Warehouse or Oracle Analytics Server. But for this example, we will go with Oracle Analytics Cloud. Number three, you go to Oracle Analytics Cloud, you can create an instance, select enterprise or professional license. You can start with 10 users or start with OCPU, and then you click OK. Oracle is going to create the instance for you. And with step number 4, you will just click Launch Oracle Analytics Cloud, and you will have access to our analytic data and AI platform, where you can start to analyze your data. So it's really, really fast. So analytic platform, you want to know a little bit more of what you can do with Oracle Analytics once you install it. So again, first, when you install it, you can install Oracle Analytics Cloud, Fusion Analytics, NetSuite Analytics. You can use different data, analytic, and AI services. You can integrate with data science, machine learning, data processing, and so on and so on. So once you are in this ecosystem, you can use multiple services together. Oracle Analytics, the typical implementation is like that. One, you will be able to connect to multiple data sources. I just put few of them here so you understand what type of data source you can connect. Spark, Hadoop, Big Data, Google BigQuery, Amazon Redshift, Amazon EMR, Salesforce, Snowflake, MySQL, Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse, Oracle Application, Oracle NetSuite, and much more. To integrate your data, you can either connect in real time, or you are able to do data integration, meaning loading all different queries to your data warehouse. Autonomous Data Warehouse is the best solution in the world. You can also load all your queries directly to a secure object storage, which is part of Oracle Analytics. Finally, you can data model all your data inside Autonomous Data Warehouse. You can analyze your data with Oracle Analytics with a mobile app, and you can finally use any type of hardware for that, and your data scientist, developer, user, accountant, digital assistant can use the same interface to look at the data. So it's really the typical implementation to connect, integrate, model, analyze, and consume the data. In terms of analytic platform, we are building all our products on top of the same different capabilities and features. So here you can see semantic model, AutoML, AI, metadata, one click for advanced analytic, interactive data visualization, self-service dataset. You can do everything under the same platform if you are using Oracle Analytics Cloud, Server, or Fusion ERP Analytics, or Fusion SCM Analytics, and more. So it's what we call a consolidated analytic journey. What you have to know is that with different tools like Tableau, Power BI, Qlik, you have some time to download other software to do transformation of data, preparation of data, predictive analytics, and more. Here with Oracle Analytics, we reduce all your costs to the minimum because with one platform, you can connect, prepare, transform, model, explore, predict with ML and experience. So we try to bundle all the different tasks that a data scientist can do, a business analyst, a data engineering specialist, or just an analyst can do directly with Oracle Analytics. In terms of connect, you can connect to 100 and more data sources. You can use REST API connector. Again, you can connect to ADW, EPM Cloud, Fusion Cloud, Amazon, Google, Microsoft SQL, Snowflake, Salesforce, Google BigQuery, you name it. And finally, if you cannot find a connector, you can use the JDBC driver to connect any legacy system. So it's really, really powerful. You can prepare the data. We have a data preparation inside Oracle Analytics with data enrichment, data quality. It's really perfect to see, for example, if someday you have some audit or for compliance, you can show what type of data transformation or data manipulation all your users are doing. You can use smart data enrichment. For example, if one of your columns is showing country, automatically Oracle is going to recommend to add the country capital, the country currency, the country population. It will take that from public secure data sources, so you can enrich your data with public data. You can also transform your data. So again, you don't have to download a different software. You can transform your data directly in Oracle Analytics data flow. You can use SQL queries. You can use Python, R, if you are a data scientist, with OCI function. You can ingest, clean your data, do any type of graph, pivot your data, aggregate, split, union, merge. You can save your data in the database, into object store, into an Essbase cube. And finally, you can analyze the sentiment, do any type of forecast, or at the end, apply ML and AI model. So it's really, really a powerful tool. You can also do any type of data modeling with the semantic modeler. It's a JSON-based tool. You have access to CI/CD, you have data lineage, you have integration with Git, so you can take an audit and a log of all your tasks, all your changes to your data model. You can create hierarchies, and you can also add new variables to your data model and create subject area and presentation layer. In terms of predictive analytics, you don't have to download, again, other software or use any other predictive analytic platform. Here, by drag and drop, you can do machine learning with pre-built algorithm. So again, you don't need to know R or Python. You don't need to do hardcore data science for that. You can be a normal user. You don't have to ask your IT team. You can do that by yourself. We are going also to enable AutoML in the near future. And right now you can do clustering, linear regression, neural network, CERT, and more. You can execute your model and scenario and apply predictive analytics to predict attrition, sales, or the number of orders or anything else. You can also explore your data and be a data explorer. So you can do that using Auto Insight. Oracle is going to compute automatically all the data visualization for you. You just drag and drop to create your dashboard. You don't have to know SQL. You can create a brand new dashboard on the fly without taking more than 5 minutes of training with Oracle Analytics. So it's very, very useful if your VP, your CFO, your CIO is sending you an Excel file or asking you to dig into data. You ask Oracle, and Oracle is doing that for you. We have more than 50 data visualization types. So we are not shy in front of Tableau or Power BI. And it's why we are leader again with IDC or Forrester. One-click ML forecast, clustering. We have AI vision, and we are going to integrate more and more artificial intelligence services. NLP, NLQ, NLG. We are going to integrate data science soon. And finally, you can do all type of analysis real time. In terms of experience, we have this brand new UI, UX called Redwood. It's very lean, very clear. You have a lot of fresh data visualization like the skinny donut, scatter plot, and more. Or you can also use that on your own website using embedded analytics. And we have a mobile app where you can activate podcast. It means that you create your dashboard on the fly from your app. You can click play and you will have a robot or an AI voice telling you exactly what you are looking at and tell you today we can see the S&P 500 increasing by 5% and we can see a drop for a specific stock and so on and so on. So let's see what's the art of possible for Oracle Analytics Cloud. I wanted to show you some data visualization so you are aware of what you can do. So first, a dashboard, very easy to do, smart city analytics. At the left, you have a Sankey. You can click on a specific country. It will show you the specific smart city KPI for it. And automatically, all these maps are going in real time to be updated. We are going to use right now the engine called Mapbox. It's really, really fast and it looks really, really amazing. Here, for example, for a cargo ship, we put some container, we design some vertex and some different objects to materialize the container. If you click on the container, you will see the route and you will see the destination on the map as well as the cost. So it's really a visual experience that you can create for your company. Here it's the San Francisco International Airport and also International Gateway. You can see by gate how many flights are coming from Virgin Atlantic, Air France, Korean Airlines, and more. And see the number of passengers arriving by flight. So again, very visual, real time, very easy to do. If you are more into the data story, this is a data story about the commodity price increase and disparity in India. We have inflation for the rice, the sugar, the wheat. You can see which city has the most inflation at the left, which region, more it's a dark blue, more the inflation is high, more it's a light blue, less the inflation. And then at the bottom right, you can see a one-click forecast where we predict the price of the wheat, the sugar, and the rice for the coming years. If you are more in IoT and robot, we use a robot from Boston Dynamics, and you can see in our industry innovation lab where the robot is going, what's the surface scan by the scanner on the top of the robot, what's the speed per minute, the miles per minute, and the step per minute. Here it's, for example, a use case where we want to see travel analytics. It's a POC, so a proof of concept where we take an aerial view of a water bungalow for an hotel, and we try to understand the occupancy by water bungalow. So again, really, really powerful to show that in real time and to see the occupancy based on data. Using AI vision, we try to understand what are the different points recognized for an iris. You know that an iris in your eye is unique for each person. So we try to recognize an eye and see if it's bent or if it's blurry. So it's really powerful. And again, it's a good proof of concept. Now we have company using AI vision with Oracle Analytics for research to look at cancer, for example, for the lung or any type of data. Here it's again using Mapbox engine to look at the change in population by county since 2010. So it's from the Census Bureau, and you can zoom on the map in real time, click on each county and see who is moving from California or New York and going to other counties. So again, very powerful. So in terms of roadmap, I'm going to show that very quickly. It's not a complete roadmap. You have to go to our website for that, but I wanted to show you what's coming. So the new semantic modeler is in preview right now. You can start to use it. We will have a full feature soon. Export format to Excel. You can now export formatted pivot table to Excel. Before we allow only CSV, now you will be able to do that. REST API connector, you can connect to Twitter, to Facebook, Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, any type of website like the Weather Channel, and you can ingest the data in real time and create your specific data set with REST API connector. OCI AI language, OCI AI forecast, you will be able to use more artificial intelligence. AutoML in Dataflow. In Dataflow, you will be able to use not only ML, but AutoML. You will drag and drop your data. Oracle will do automatically the machine learning training for you. You don't have to tweak too much. And at the end, you can predict the future easily. OCI Data Science, we are going to integrate that by the end of the year, start of next year. And finally, a brand new homepage with watch list and KPI and insight. The homepage is going to be amazing. You are going to love it. So what I will do right now is to do a quick demonstration of Oracle Analytics. So I'm going to switch to the Oracle Analytics interface. I'm going to reconnect really quick, and I'm going to show you in few clicks and in 5 minutes what you can do with Oracle Analytics right now or tomorrow. So first, what you can do, you can create a brand new connection or dataset. So I'm going to click on dataset. Here, I can create a new connection, load data from Amazon, Apache, Azure. But right now, what I will do, it's really to load an Excel file. So it's going to go directly to my analytic library. I'm going to select a specific dataset. For example, I should have a test dataset here. And in this dataset, I'm going to load directly inside Oracle Cloud. And I'm going to call it Cloud World My Data. I'm loading and ingesting all this data directly to Oracle Cloud. You will see in 1 minute, thousands and thousands of lines of data available here. I'm going now to be able to save this data. So I will save my data set as my data Ben. I'm going to click OK. It's going to profile my data, and it's going to allow me to create a workbook. I'm clicking on create workbook, and right now it's going to compute all the different ways to see my data. And we are going to use Auto Insight for that. But before doing it, I'm going to click on the cells, and I'm going to say, Oracle Analytics, explain me the cells. It's going to look at all the correlation for the cells, and I'm going to start to look at what has been discovered. I can see cells by order priority, cells by customer segment. I'm going to choose a la carte some data visualization. I saw in my data set country, so I'm going to use cells by country. And I'm going to click add selected. So right now it's bringing me a lot of different data visualization. I'm going to rearrange the way I want. I'm going to select, for example, a data visualization to represent a map. So I'm changing to a map. And I'm going to bring different, I will say, filters. So I'm going to say, I want to have a focus on the United States. I'm clicking on the United States, and I will say drill to the specific city in the United States. So it's drilling down for me. I will select this different visualization as a filter, and I will ask Oracle to show me, for example, for the map, the size of a bubble for the cells. I can put that in full screen in 1 second. And now in 1 minute, I created a dashboard to show me the cells from my dataset by specific city in the US. It's telling me, for example, 200K in Los Angeles, 174K for Chicago. I can say, show me only the cells for technology. I click, and it's going to refresh the dashboard from me. And now showing me 74K of sales in San Francisco. Now, let's say this is not enough and your boss is asking for more. You can literally click on Auto Insight at the top right. It's analyzing the data for you. I can show you that in real time. I will say to Auto Insight, do not focus on profit and discount, but focus on profit, sales, order date, order a customer segment. I don't want the continent. And I'm going to ask, for example, to focus on country and city. So now it's going to recompute all the data visualization, focusing on what my boss asked. And again, he asked for some data about the sales, the profit, the city, the country. So let's see what Oracle Analytics is going to compute for me. I'm going to wait a little bit more, or in the meantime, I can also create my own analysis. Now it computes a lot of different things. So the monthly seasonality, I'm interested in that one, so I'm adding that one. I'm going to see a forecast of profit. This is something my VP will be interested. A cluster of different countries, which is interesting. The top 10 country for the profit. And I'm going to select the last one, the growth contribution bridge. So now I have different data visualization. I will close Auto Insight. It's telling me that the top in terms of profit is the US, then the UK. France is only number 7. We have a growth contribution bridge by year and by segment. So it's perfect. Now what I can do, I can also create my own data visualization. Let's say my VP is asking me more about the profit ratio. I can type profit ratio, divide the profit by the sales. I'm going to multiply that by 100. So I'm creating my own metric for Oracle Analytics. I'm selecting the profit ratio, the sales, and the city. We want to analyze which city are the best in terms of profit ratio, which means not only do sales, but also profit. I want to understand, for example, the sales as the size of a bubble, and I'm going to cluster all these cities by adding statistics. I want to group them by color and know who are the top in terms of sales, the top in terms of profit, and more. But guess what? I'm not really sure what it is about, so I'm going to copy and paste this specific data visualization. I'm going to remove the cluster, and I'm going to ask Oracle to explain this data for me. I'm going to put that in full screen, and I'm going to explain to my boss that Hong Kong is the largest in terms of sales with 300K. So it might be that one. Albany and Jamestown and San Diego are the 3 biggest in terms of profit ratio, which might be that one, and that one. And finally, Cape Town round out of a list with a profit ratio which is negative, which is that one. So it's giving you the same explanation, but without the creepy French accent. So now that we analyze the data set, I'm going to give you a little bonus and show you how we use artificial intelligence to detect objects into images. So I loaded 4 different images, an image from Larry Ellison, and you can see that it's detecting at 86% a specific shirt, clothing, 97% a specific human face, and 96% a man. If I click, for example, on Oracle Cloud, you can see here a Red Bull car. It's recognizing the car, but also the wheel. I can also really quickly click on a picture of when I spoke on stage. It's recognizing my footwear at 78% and my suit at 87%. You can do that also with a flight. It will recognize maybe the model of a plane if it's a F-14 or something else. So again, I wanted to show you the capabilities of Oracle Analytics. You have to know that you can also prepare your data directly inside Oracle Analytics. So it's a very, very powerful analytic platform. So at the end, thank you very much for joining. I'm Ben, Senior Director of Product Strategy. You can contact me at benjamin.arnulf@oracle.com or connect with me on LinkedIn or Twitter. Thanks everyone, and thank you for joining the Oracle Cloud World.